Hi, this is Gayle with Bernina of Naperville, and I am here to tell you about a really special event that we have coming up this Thursday, March 26th. Now, it's from noon to 4 here in our store, even though it's marked as somewhat of a virtual event. So let me explain. So we are participating in a virtual event that Connie Fanders, she is the former Director of Education and Training at Bernina, and she is really responsible for a lot of the reasons why we love our Bernina 990 so much. And she is going to be here kind of like Max Headroom. Remember him? And anyway, she is going to be in our classroom on our big screen TV, and she's going to be taking you through all of the reasons why the Bernina 990 is the ultimate embroidery, quilting, and sewing machine. But the focus is mostly on quilting. Now, why do you want to come to this thing? Well, sometimes you go to places and it's like a hoorah, ooh la la, big sales event. Well, here at Bernina of Naperville, we just want you to experience the 990 if you've never really got that opportunity to really try it, look at it, see what it's all about without pressure. Now, I'm not going to joke with you. We do have some really cool offers for you. The premiere event is going on. We have extra special pricing on it and all of that. So, I mean, if it is that time for you, you know what? We got you because, I've told you many times, I want you to have a 990. But anyway, so the event is Thursday, March 26th, noon to 4. And during that time, we're going to have some light refreshments. There's going to be some time to socialize. We have other 990 owners there. And there's even an opportunity to vote on the special features that you want. So during the time for this class, we're going to be having, Connie is going to be asking you some questions, and you really get to participate so that you feel like maybe your input matters in future development and other things that they might decide to tweak or finesse with this machine. And there's just a lot of fun things, and I really want you to make it. Now, it's only $15, and you know what? I want you to come to this thing so badly that if you pay the $15 and you buy something here at the store, we'll give you a credit for that admission fee. So don't hesitate to sign up at BERNINAofNaperville.com, and I can't wait to see you then. So thanks so much. And by the way, if you want to see some other tutorial videos on the 990, we have loads on our YouTube channel, and our YouTube channel is really easy to find. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and also please like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you so much, and I know I'll be seeing you on Thursday. Cheers.